learner. Thanks for coming back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore something
Wow.
really interesting that will help you to learn faster and smarter. So stay tuned and let's jump right in. Yes, so here we will first learn about the function is a predefined formula. So it performs a specific calculations or task for you. Let's take an example. Instead of writing a bunch of steps to add numbers, you just use the sum functions, that is mathematical function. It's really calling a ready-made recipe instead of cooking from the scratch. Okay, so here next we will understand what are the rules to use function. The first rule is a function name should be valid. A function name should be written correctly without spelling mistakes, and it must be the one of Excel's built-in name so that Excel understand what job you want it to do. Okay, so next rule is a function always starts with equal sign. And from this, a function name should be valid and start with equal sign. So Excel knows you are giving it a formula to work on. Okay, so the third rule is the cell range or reference should enclosed with parenthesis. Okay, so when you write a function, the cell number or range should be kept inside bracket, that is parenthesis, so Excel knows which data to use. Okay. Look, in this, the example shows us how to use it. So in this, the equal sign is used, which is very important and is the first rule to use function. After that, use the function name and then the argument, which tells the cell, range and reference. This whole example shows the correct way, and in the same way, we have to write all other functions so that this is the correct method and this is how we write them. Next is categories of function. So these are four categories of functions. All these are basic functions of Excel. Okay, so one by one we will know. First is mathematical function. These are used to do maths calculations, simple math calculations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, or finding average. Next is text. Next is text function. This help you work with words or letters in cell like joining text or counting letters and many more. And we will discuss it later. So next is date and time function. This work with dates and time like finding today's date, adding days or calculating the difference between two dates. Okay. So at the last we have logical functions. This help us to make the decision by checking if something is true or false. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more video. See you next time.